Hello everyone, today I will show you how to generate drawing in Tekla Structural Designer. Open the Structure 3D, click on Elements, right click, Generate Drawing, click OK. You can select the scale 1/25 and minimum type block, OK. And you can check in the location, default in location C, Tom, and detail. Because I just uninstall AutoCAD in my PC, so it cannot load to AutoCAD directly. This is how you can show the structural drawing in Tekla Structural Designer. So generate drawing for the single elements. For the column the same, and click on generate drawing, select the scale and click OK. To show for the back plate and the foundation layout, click on the structural back plate, or you can click on the level, which level you want to generate drawing. The top view, can click on it. In the case I click on the structural base 2D, click on general arrangement and click on the scale, and select scale and click OK again. Yes, I told you I just uninstalled AutoCAD, so it will load directly from the Tekla Structural Designer to AutoCAD. For the other level, you the same and generate drawing. Yes, click OK. For the frame, you can select on the frame what frame you want to show. Example, I want to show in frame 2. So add frame, model and frame. Click on the frame 2 and double click on the frame 2. And click on the drawing and general arrangement, select scale, click OK. For the plane, plane slope of the rows, we view perpendicular to the rows. Click on the slope 1. Again, click on the general drawing and click OK. This is how you can output the drawing from Tekla Structural Designer to AutoCAD file. Thank you for your watching. I hope you enjoyed it tutorial. For more questions, you can ask me direct in group.